Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Walks on the Run, and today we are going to look at this 2023 Vilano. It's by Vanleigh. It's the 320GK, so stick around. We're going to check this out.
So welcome 320GK Vanleigh, top of the line fifth wheel. Well, that's what they claim. So let's walk around and see what we got here. First of all, I noticed there's the washer dryer up there. And I will bet that this compartment, which is unreachable, is probably to access the electrical cable in the back. So just saying, that's kind of a detail that is weird. That could be one of my dislike. But here we go. We got two 30-pound tank. We got one on each side. And here's our water bay access basement. You've got the vacuum cleaner. You've got solar prep unit and all of the good items that they actually put standard on here. Typical door magnet like we put on ours to hold the door open once it's done. Lippert 4-step system that folds. You know, lately that's what we have, those famous steps that actually close inside. You got those adjustable tabs that allows you to be on even ground. So we'll walk around, two slides opposite to each other. So it gives you this big living room space feeling that you have a lot of room. Frameless glasses, that is beautiful.
I love the frameless windows.
Yeah, and look at this nice awning. You got two awning on here, one on the slide itself, one on the front itself. So this is nice. 6-level self-leveling system. So again, rear window, frameless window, watch your head. And here we have a nice little feature that they have, but they put this electrical cable that you just retract your cable as you pull it in instead of wrapping it up. So that's a nice little detail. We're looking at two 7,000-pound axle for a GW of 16,000-pound rated. Here's a little trap that they did.
This is cool.
So that's to have access to either your water or your electrical to test the back of the fridge, which would be nice in some inspection because we can't even access the refrigerators. So heater, electric and propane furnace, water bay, filtration system integrated into the unit, kind of basic, common, self-explanatory.
And the outdoor shower.
The outdoor shower. Yeah, my wife told me to stop saying basic. So it's not basic, it's a beautiful water bay. Really intricate that you need instruction to go through. Does that sound better?
I need instructions to go through. I wrote my instructions down.
So here's the other tank on this side. And for the front, I don't know, I forgot to check this one before, but do we have, yep, generator prep. See, they supply you with one marine battery. But that's, you can see it's an easy fix to put a couple of lithium in there. So that would be kind of nice. Nice construction. Everything is rugged, big. Vanleigh is known for that high quality. So now let's go inside to see what Laurel has to show us.
Come on in. You've got to see this beauty. I'll tell you, the first thing that hits me when I walk in here is how light and bright it is, but the furniture is dreamy soft. I know you can't sit on it and know, but trust me when I tell you, I love this booth. And it goes down into a bed as well, but I'm telling you, this is incredibly soft. As a matter of fact, I'll just sit right here. You can see that these are all electric, so you've got your little push buttons and you don't have the rip cord. This turns out into a bed. You've got your USB electrical outlets on each side, and you even have your little motherboard for your lights over here. So if you're just sitting and reading, you can access your lights. You don't even have to get up off the couch. All the cupboard space above the couch. It's amazing the amount of storage they've put into this unit. But I love this. So here the TV is on an elevator lift. So when this goes down, again, you've got a huge window behind, and below that is your stereo system and your fireplace for those chillier nights. Get nice ambiance lighting underneath the kitchen counter. And again, everyone's using these big barn basin sinks, which are beautiful for doing a lot of dishes. Maybe you're using paper plates, I don't know. You got your 4-burner stove, insignia, and your refrigerator that is residential. There's nothing like having a lot of space for your food on your camping trips. And your pantry area. Look at all the space here. Now, I'm sure you're going to need a step ladder to get up there. Who doesn't? But look at all the space that you have in here. This is really something. Absolutely beautiful. Coming on.
This, by the way, I got to specify, this is 37 feet overall.
Yes. Coming into the bathroom, you've got a large stand-up shower in here, which I'm sure even at your height, Pierre, you could fit in that shower easily. Oh, yeah. There's some good storage underneath the sink as well as beside. I love all the light white paint. And into the bedroom, you've got your king-size bed, and of course the storage is underneath the bed as well. And then you've got storage above the bed.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
Yeah, and then you've got a nice big closet. Nice big closet. And then you've got this slide right here, and behind, if you want to do laundry, yeah, it's already on. See? We'll just shut that off for them. And then you have your bureau set up. Look at this. This is all your electrical outlets for your TV. Nice large LG TV. Nice big windows. They've used the atrium windows in this unit as well. Yep. So here we are. We're almost home. I love the flooring too. I didn't mention this, but I love the flooring.
Is that
nice flush slides? But the flooring is absolutely beautiful. Now it is flush on this side of the slides, but when you go onto the kitchen side, you'll see that you've got the stove tubber. Wait, let me say that again.
Yeah, you've got the.
It is the stove stubber. You've got the toe stubber, but this is a unit that is absolutely beautiful.
So check this.
I already did.
I know. Open that storage down there. You didn't open that. Oh, good. There is. Okay.
You just wanted me to use my muscles this morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you got nice storage underneath. Nice. Yeah. Again, this is super, super soft, very comfortable. So, hope you enjoyed the inside.
Now let's go to our favorite and least favorite.
Yes. Okay, Pierre, let's talk about our least favorite and our favorite features on this particular unit. So tell me, what is your least favorite?
Which is kind of makes sense, but that little trap that they put up in the front of the fifth wheel that is inaccessible, so you need a ladder to go there. It's kind of cool they put that little door, but now there's no insulation behind the door. You know that key door that accesses the washer dryer over there? So that's kind of a weird feature. I know they try to do good, but for me that doesn't make sense. So what's your least favorite?
My least favorite, my least favorite, I'm stuttering, is the toe stubber. So that's always, I'm going to I cannot say stub today. I'm going to stub my toe anytime I'm cooking. So that's always my least favorite. But let's end on a good note. So what is your favorite feature?
One of my favorite feature.
One, yeah.
Okay. The lightness in here is nice.
It is beautiful.
That is phenomenal. But the TV, the stored TV above the fireplace, and it gives you access to this light.
That elevator lift.
Ah, geez, I love that. That's amazing.
You did that in our Class C. That was amazing.
Yeah.
I thought that was pretty smart of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So my favorite feature is the vacuum. I have to have a vacuum cleaner, so I love the fact that it has central vac, and I miss that. We used to have that on a past fifth wheel that we owned, and I really miss it in my current fifth wheel, but that's my favorite.
So here you go. So up to the next one. But see, it's back to the same thing. Remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.